Hello everyone, this is the part 2 of prepositions. A quick recap: the stars twinkle in the sky. In is the preposition. He lives across the street. Across is the preposition. So as you see, prepositions are usually placed before a noun or a pronoun. They may be used to indicate position, place, direction, or time. I agree with her. Also, I argue with him. I will deal with him, etc. I agreed to go with her. What do you see? We see for persons we use preposition with, but for something, some activity, we use the preposition to with agree. She isn't afraid of dogs. With afraid, preposition of. He is proud of his sons. Proud of. He is ashamed of his bad behavior. Ashamed of. I don't approve of his actions. Approve of. Same way, aware of. I wasn't aware of this. He is capable of doing something. This consists of X and Y. This is composed of X and Y. He is accused of robbery. So remember the usage of preposition of with afraid, proud, ashamed, approve, aware, capable, consist, composed, accused, etc. Next, she is angry with me. She is angry at the verdict given by the judge. What do you see? We say angry with when we are talking about people. We say angry at or something when we are talking about something, some action or activity. He is grateful to you. I am grateful for all the help received. So you are grateful to a person and you are grateful for things. That hat is same as yours with same as. This jacket is similar to his. With similar, we have to use the preposition to. Same way, we have to say accustomed to, opposed to, beneficial to, listen to, superior to, etc. So remember when to use preposition to. He worked on the project for 3 days. They have lived here for 20 years. What do we see? We have to use the preposition for when we are talking about a period of time, say few hours, days, years, or whatever. But he has been working since 3 days. They have been discussing since morning. When do we use since? This is used when we are describing an action or situation that began in past and is still continuing in the present. So, he has been working since 3 days means he worked in past for 3 days and he's still continuing to work. Now, lastly, what is the difference between a preposition and an adverb? Let us see. The students went inside. What is inside in this sentence? Another sentence. The students went inside the classroom. You see, in the first case, it's an adverb. And in the second case, it's a preposition. Why? Because the preposition is always followed by a noun or a pronoun, which is called object of preposition. As you see, classroom is the noun that follows the preposition inside. So always remember, if the word has an object, it is acting as a preposition. So classroom here is the object of preposition in the second sentence, and hence inside is a preposition in the second sentence. Whereas inside is an adverb of place in the first sentence. So as we see in the first sentence, if there is no object, it is acting as an adverb. So that was all about prepositions and how to use them correctly. Thanks for watching. Bye bye.